How to enable and get the dark mode on Microsoft Outlook app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so easy. Just go to Outlook. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner, click on your profile picture. Now on this page you will find many options. Go down until you find the settings option right here. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now scroll down like this until you find the appearance option right here. Click on appearance. Now click on the dark option here. After you click on dark, here you go. Now you have the dark mode on your Microsoft Outlook. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.